Hey there, Matt's Garage here. So today I'm just going to be doing this short little tech tip sort of video for you guys. You can see I've collected up all these tools here that are really greasy, but I've got the perfect solution to clean these up easily. I get a pair of gloves on and I will show you. This literally takes minutes, seconds even. Basically what we're going to be using is hand cleaner. So yeah, just the white hand cleaner. I'm sure you've all used that to clean your hands before, but maybe you never thought to try it on your tools. So let me just show you how well this works. This is like so greasy, there's a buildup of grease on this. So I'm just using the glove to work it around like you would when you're cleaning your hands, and you could use a scrub brush and probably speed this up a little, but I kind of discovered this when I was cleaning my hands and just, I had some greasy tools at the same time. The nice thing about this stuff is it wipes off pretty nice, like it doesn't leave it all greasy after you wipe it off. So there we go, you can see I've made a lot of progress on that already. This one's like I haven't done this one forever, so it's so bad. And the nice thing about this is it's not like a solvent that's going to melt the handles on your pliers. So it wipes off and your handle's like brand new again. I just went and got a scrub brush here, and I'm just going to use the scrub brush actually to work into these pores. I thought it would be good to have really extreme examples here for you guys. So I let my handles get extra dirty to make this video. There you can see how nice that came up. See how black that button is? That button is green. We'll see. See? Green. Now you might find another brand of hand cleaner works better. I've gotten better results before in the past with other hand cleaners. The pumice kind would probably scrape up your handles, so you might not want to use that. This doesn't have the pumice bits in it. It's just the smooth. It's like feels like fat on the hands, like lard. Now you could use a water-based degreaser for this, but if you get any inside the ratchets and things like that, it's going to affect it. So that's, again, not only is this a little bit, thick and jelly, so that's not going to really happen. It's not going to go in there, but if it did, it's got mineral oil and stuff in it. Like, it's not a water-based product. It's going to rust the internals. It would probably lubricate it, if anything. And it seems to kind of leave the handles nice too. Like, it leaves them looking like new, but they're not slippery. And it's not lifting the decals off or anything like that, like a solvent might do. The nice thing is, since it's a hand cleaner, it's not really too hard on your hands. If you want to do this without gloves on, the bigger risk would be the grease that you're cleaning off the tools. See how nice and bright that makes it again? I know I have another old tub of this, but it's kind of separated, and that's why I bought a new one. You can see this looks a little different. So I just wanted to do a little test here. I've got one more tool, and it's quite greasy, and I want to see how this stuff works on that. That is a gray handle. I didn't scrub that with the brush. You can see that one is cleaning up a lot better. So that's was my aim for this video, was to show you those kind of results. And I think my hand cleaner I chose for the video didn't do so well. Yeah, I wish I had tried that sooner. Here's a final look at the results. I did find that other hand cleaner worked better, a lot better actually, and that's what I used on that handle. I didn't use the scrub brush at all. You can just see how nice all of these came up though, and some of these tools are 10 plus years old, so they're all nicked up and scarred anyways. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day.
I guess you just let it drip off your fingers. Well, let's just hope it's good for the skin.
No, it's not. It's got borax and stuff in it, which I'm pretty sure is not good for you.